Ionic Express, the ultimate fast-fit enclosure. Installs with 3 simple fast-fit steps. Slot, slide, and lock. It's that easy. We guarantee that our fast-fit system makes this the easiest enclosure to install on the market. This range uses less screws and less drilling, saving you time and effort. Ionic Express has a full range of shapes and sizes, including sliders, 1- and 2-door quadrants, pivot, and bifold doors. Before you begin, read through the fitting instructions and identify all the parts conveniently displayed in your Express fixing kit. To get started, ensure your tray is level in all directions. Plumb the wall profile and mark the fixing points. Unlike other enclosures, Ionic Express needs only 6 screws and drill points for the entire enclosure assembly. Once your fixing points have been drilled, lay the bottom profile. Slot your pre-assembled fixed panels into the bottom profile. Screw the profiles into the wall. Now slot your top profile onto the frame and simply slide and secure in place on all corners. Hang the rollers on the top profile and simply click in the bottom rollers. These rollers also have a quick release feature to help you clean those hard to reach places. Adjust the rollers if necessary. Finally, adjust the frame and quarter turn to lock the wall and upright profile in place, without the need to drill through aluminium. Click on your cover caps and seal as normal. To recap, simply slot, slide, and lock. It doesn't get any easier than that. All Ionic Express enclosures are coated with Merlyn Stay Clear glass coating that prevents any soap or limescale buildup on the glass, making it much easier to clean. For more information, pick up our brochure or visit ionicsharing.com.